Hey y'all, look what I just got. Fell into my lap. First I gotta say I'm sorry about the wind. I hope you can hear me. But just got this. It's a 1988 Wellcraft. The boy that I got it from said he would just like to have his money out of it. And so I went and looked at it and I told him, I said, you're not getting your money out of this. He paid 800 bucks for it, is what he told me. It had a motor in it. It was bad. They took it out. Figured out the motor was bad and they was going to have to replace it. So I think his wife was on him to get rid of it. So he called me and I told him, I said, you might be able to sell some things off of it, maybe make a few $100s back on it. But he said he just didn't have the time. He was tired of messing with it. So he called me and said, come get it out of my yard. So I did. And it's got clean titles on it. So I got the titles to the trailer and the boat. The floor is all rotten out of it. I'm going to show you a video. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it. I really wanted the trailer, not so much the boat. But the boat on the outside looks freaking awesome. And it's got a lower unit on it. It's an Alpha 1. I'm wondering, will my Chevrolet 350 small block engine work with that Alpha 1? If y'all know the answer to that, please let me know. Comment below. Let me show you what we got. Man, the trailer is in great shape. All it really needs is lights and wires. All right, let's see what we got here. All the controls look freaking awesome. Brand new. Throttle. It's got a light pole right there. The glove box didn't have a key to it. You had to use a screwdriver. The seats look in awesome condition. No, not torn or ripped or anything. Got some cushions up front there. It's got a bimini on it. It's got boat covers for the front and the back, and I'll show you that. I'm going to toss some of this stuff out so I can show you. This is the floor, and as you can see, it is pretty nasty. Pretty solid right there, but up front there, it's not solid at all. Back in the back, it's not either. Let me throw some of this stuff out so we can get a better look at it. jackets. Wood that goes in the floor. Do y'all hear that? There's something knocking in there. And I'm not really sure what it is. Whatever it is, it's way in the boat. I'm gonna have to find out what that is. Nasty. But the board is good. I think it'll clean up really well. This side over here looks like it's a cooler. Got a little drain hole down there. So that's awesome. And this floor, look at this floor. Man, it's rotten. Let's see what's underneath here. Looks like the carpet's going to come up fairly easy. I really don't know what I should do with this boat. That's the fuel down there. Nasty. Not sure what that hole is for. Just some piping. Probably the fuel intake and fuel air. But this is what the back of the boat looks like where the motor goes. I'm thinking it'd be a great little fishing boat. We pull all this out of here, cover up the hole, put a motor bracket on the back, put, I don't know, a 60, 70 horse motor on it. Be a great little fishing boat, I think. You could fish off the back. It's only 19 feet long. Just pull all this carpet, and I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to replace the wood. Will my motor fit in here on that spline? I'm not sure. I don't know. I am not a mechanic. But I know that I can power wash this whole thing, make it look freaking brand new again. The vinyl for the seats are in great shape. So I don't know. You tell me, what should I do? I'm still working on the big boat, but do I tackle this or just take all the parts off of it and try to sell it and scrap the boat, cut it out? Because I really want the trailer. Let me know. Hey y'all, wanted to come to you and wrap this video up. The reason why I'm wearing a hat is look at my head. With this coronavirus crap going on, barbers are not open. This is the only thing my wife knew how to do, so she buzzed it off, which is okay. But I was out in the yard yesterday mowing and stuff, and it got really, really warm. So the wife made me go out and buy a hat. What do y'all think? I also got a camouflage one too for fishing. On a little side note, let me show you what I got here. A $2,000 refrigerator for 200 bucks. Let me show you. Stainless steel with ice and water in the door, and just just a hell of a deal. Let me show you what's inside. Of course, I got the essentials, Budweiser, Busch Light, Dr. Pepper, some hot dogs, which is I'm using for fishing. But the reason I got it is the lady said that her food wasn't cold. So I went over and I looked at it, and I've never seen so much food in a refrigerator in my life. I mean, it was packed. There was so much in it, you couldn't close the doors. And I told her, and the temperature was running around 42, which isn't too bad. Should run at 38, that's ideal. So I told her, I said, you need to take some food out of it. No, I ain't doing that. I want a new refrigerator. I said, well, I can put one in the garage for you so you can transfer some food. No, I don't do that either. The electric bill will just go up. I said, well, I don't know what to do then. She said, buy me a new refrigerator. So I did. I went down and bought a $2,000 refrigerator, put it in the house, and of course, this ain't mine. I didn't have to buy it. I'm working for somebody else. They bought it. So I go back over there, and I had a little temperature gauge in the old one here, this one, and I asked her where it was. She said, oh, it's out in my garage in the refrigerator. I said, you already have a refrigerator in the garage, but you didn't want a refrigerator in the garage? Whatever, okay. So I asked the owner, I said, what are you going to do with this? He said, sell it. And I asked him how much, and he said 10% of the price, which is $200. I said, I'll take it. Works perfect. Right at 38. Now, of course, I don't have a lot of food in it, but I did have a lot of food in it here a week ago. And just done perfect. So, yeah, that's how I got my $2,000 refrigerator for $200. All right, but hey, that's enough about me. I want to send a shout out to my buddy Brenton, Backwaters Brenton, and just give him a shout out for giving me a shout out. My subscribers has gone up by 100. I think I'm at like 723 now, 725, something like that. Still trying to get to 1,000. Not because I want to monetize, but because it gives me more features, things I can do. So big shout out to him. I know he's going to come by here within the next week or so. We're going to sit down and talk, and he's going to have that on his channel, and I'm going to have it on my channel, and that should be a good visit. I'm looking forward to meeting him. So, all right, stay safe out there. Next video will be of the big boat, taking the arch off of it, and I'm buying a whole bunch of stuff for it. Got in a whole bunch of stuff from Amazon. It's called VHB, very high bond tape to put the windows in. Some $7.95 from Owen Corning that Andy uses on his channel and his boats. That'll put the windows in. Plus I got some butyl tape that I can put some fittings and stuff like that in. Getting ready to power wash it. I got a brand new power washer. Well, here, let me show you. Got a brand new power washer right there. This is another refrigerator I'm going to clean up and sell. But brand new power washer where I can get in there and power wash everything, get it painted, especially the motor bay. I want to get that all painted up, get the hole enclosed so we can start on the bracket. Talked to a gentleman down in Florida, and he's going to help me build a bracket for it, and so I can get my motor on it and get all that hooked up and hopefully have it in the water. It's not going to be this summer, but hopefully next summer we can get it in the water, or next winter. So, all right, hey, stay safe out there. Hit subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you all for staying with me, and we'll talk to you soon.